Hey guys, Brian here with VetteSource today, taking a look at a 1997 to 2004 Corvette torque tube assembly. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar, in 1997 the Corvette switched to a transaxle setup with the transmission in the back of the car butted up against the differential, and this was what replaced the traditional transmission at the back of the engine going back to the differential. So this is what we call the torque tube. You can see here, this is obviously Corvette driveline component, actually with instructions specifically to make sure that you don't lower that rear differential too low or you're going to damage your firewall there. So it's kind of a neat thing. They actually kind of put this on here just to give guys an idea. And of course your part sticker there, Unilite, Unicast aluminum driveline, with our GM part number 12564456. Now you can see here in the back, this is where your torque converter will bolt up to it, right here. And then of course up front, this is where it connects to the flywheel of the car, right there. So it's all complete. This is for an automatic transmission equipped Corvette, not the standard transmissions. Came from a non-accident damaged car, so it's in real good shape, ready to install. So if you have a need for this, you can give me a call back. My name is Brian with VetteSource. My number is 832-654-7367. Thanks.